Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube Shorts and how you can turn your creativity into cash. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, YouTube Shorts offers incredible opportunities to monetize your content and reach a global audience. Stick around to learn the strategies and tips that can help you start making money with YouTube Shorts today. First things first, if you haven't already, make sure you enable Shorts on your YouTube channel. It's easy to do and allows you to create short, catchy videos that can go viral in no time. Think of Shorts as a gateway to connecting with viewers in a new, immersive way. Once you're set up, it's time to brainstorm content ideas that resonate with your audience. Whether it's DIY tutorials, quick tips, or entertaining skits, Shorts thrive on creativity and shareability. Monetizing your Shorts. Now, let's talk about the fun part, making money. There are several ways you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. YouTube Partner Program. The first step is to join the YouTube Partner Program. Once eligible, you can earn money through ads that appear on your Shorts. The more views and engagement your Shorts get, the more potential earnings you can generate. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your Shorts gain traction, brands may approach you for sponsorships or collaborations. This can be a lucrative way to monetize your content while promoting products or services that align with your audience. Merchandise and channel memberships. Another great way to monetize is through merchandise sales and channel memberships. You can create custom merchandise related to your Shorts or offer exclusive perks to channel members who support your content. Crowdfunding. Platforms like YouTube's Super Chat and Super Stickers allow viewers to support you directly during live streams or through comments on your Shorts. It's a fantastic way to connect with your community and earn tips for your hard work. Tips for success. Consistency is key. Post Shorts regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Optimize for mobile. Since Shorts are viewed primarily on mobile devices, ensure your content is visually appealing and easy to watch on smaller screens. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. 4. Stay trendy. Keep an eye on trending topics and challenges to capitalize on viral content opportunities. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to making money with YouTube Shorts. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, creativity, and a bit of strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your online presence. See you next time!